ever get frustrated packing your clothes that you end up just wadding them up and shoving them in a bag? Today, we're going to end that chaos. Today, we're talking rolling versus folding, and either method is preferred over the wad it and stuff it method. Today, I'm going to show you the difference, the pros and cons, and stay to the end, and I will tell you which one I personally prefer. Let's simplify your suitcase so you can enjoy what matters. I'm Gwen, and I am here to help you simplify your life. I teach simple solutions of decluttering and organizing, whether at home or away. Now let's talk folding. The folding method is really good for shirts that are structured, any clothing that you want to keep neat, tidy, structured especially, and wrinkle-free. It's a great way to organize your suitcase. Think of it like shelves for your suitcase. You can keep it so categorized and neat. So let's look at a few different ways to fold our clothes. All right, lay out your t-shirt. We're going to bring the sleeves in like this. We're going to roll the sides in again to the collar. Bring it nicely like that. Fold your collar over down below where the collar is protected. Bring the bottom up and then over again. And really just, you can customize this to your packing cube, your suitcase, whichever. Now let me show you another way. Okay, this way, if you have a long packing cube, for instance, we're going to take the bottom and we're going to bring it up. Bring our sleeves over. I'm not going to take too much time to get the wrinkles out of this. And then we're going to bring that down, get the collar nice and flat. Bring it up, and then we're going to turn it over and then fold it. So if your packing cube is shaped like this, which I have some shaped like this, then you can fold it this way. Let's go now to dress shirts. All right, so if you've got a long sleeved collared shirt, we're going to do this just like we did the first one. We're going to bring this sleeve in. Bring this one over, this sleeve in, and then bring it back on itself. We're going to pull this in. This protects our collar, if you have a collared shirt. Pull that in, bring your collar down. Your collar is going to stay nice and flat. Bring this up, and then bring it over again, and this works great for collared shirts. If you've got a short sleeve collared shirt, we're going to bring this in the same way. Pull this into the collar, just to the edge, till we've got this nice centered part. Then we're going to bring our collar down, flatten that, bring that up and over. Once again, a nicely folded shirt. These pack so nicely in my packing cube. I have adjusted them. Whenever I fold them, I just make sure that I have them the same size as the packing cube. There's that one, and then that's a bigger shirt on top. And they fit nicely, and that is 7 shirts folded. And this is 7 shirts folded. Okay, now let's roll. All right, take your shirt, lay it down, smooth out the wrinkles, bring in your sleeves, and then you're going to bring it over a third. And then the other way, the third. When you fold it, you're going to leave just a couple of inches at the bottom. Turn it the other way, and then make a tight little roll, smoothing out your wrinkles. When you get to the end, then you're just going to tuck it into itself. And then you have a roll. Okay, for a button-up shirt, we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to do it with it face up for a reason. We're going to bring our sleeves in, and then we're still going to go the third of the way, the other side a third of the way. We're going to bring up the tail, turn it around. You're going to start, be careful of that collar, keep it flat. We're gonna roll, 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 and then we get to the bottom. We're gonna tuck it into the tail of itself. And there is your long sleeve shirt rolled. Now here we have the same 7 shirts rolled. See how they fit in the same packing cube. Start with the larger one. We're gonna have to play a little bit of Tetris here. Get these all in here. Let's go this and this. And there you have it. So what are the benefits of each? I would say folded, especially for structured, is very crisp. And then rolled is very contained. Like that's not going anywhere. Both of them are going to work just fine. But personally, I go with folded. Folded helps me stay neat and organized. I like that I can find what I need easily. And I just prefer the way it looks. And honestly, my clothes get less wrinkled the folded way rather than the rolled way. I've also used compression bags versus just regular packing cubes, or compression cubes versus packing cubes. If you'd like to see a video on the difference of those, let me know and I'll do that for you. Honestly, either one of these are going to work for you. It's whichever you prefer. And that is what I teach here at Simplify Your Life on this YouTube channel. It's simple, easy solutions. I am here to help you simplify your life and your packing. If you like this video, if you found any value in it whatsoever, would you give it a thumbs up and a like? A comment, let me know what your packing style is. Are you a roller? Are you a folder? Or are you a stuffer? Keep it simple and travel light.